difference. You know, obviously we have the team building aspect where you're driving around. Not only do you get the opportunity to give the directions, which puts more pressure on you, whenever you're driving with that blindfold, another very important thing whenever we talk about team building, the foundation's trust. And that was a big takeaway from this, and that's what revolves around everything whenever we talk about teamwork. I think it'd be phenomenal for any organization to come out here and really solidify that center point of their team.
It's the other left, okay? Yeah, okay.
My name's Amy Talicki. I'm a trainer with Career and Workforce Development at WKU here in Bowling Green. I'm out here at NCM Motorsports Park where I've had a wonderful morning riding on the go-karts and getting a lot of takeaways to go back and help to build our team. And so if you've not made your way out here, you're certainly missing something and you need to get here stat.
The C7 touring was outstanding. It was much more than what I expected. I thought it would be just a nice little cruise down a straightaway, and it really took me out of my comfort zone. It was a fantastic experience. The lead cars did a wonderful job keeping things safe, but at the same time challenging me and my co-worker, making the tour something really special. I highly recommend it, especially if you want that thrill and that challenge. This is the place to be.